Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to make almond butter cookies. I got this recipe from allrecipes.com. It's pretty simple. It just needs 2 cups flour, 1 cup crushed almonds, 1 cup butter, 7 tablespoons white sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of almond extract. And so the reason I chose this recipe is because, trust me, there's a lot of almond cookie recipes out there. I mean, like hundreds. But a lot of them, believe it or not, don't use actual almonds. They used almond extract. And the point of me looking for this recipe is I wanted one that actually used almonds. These are the almonds I had left over from when I made Robert's birthday cake last week. And I don't want them to go bad. And of course, nuts can last a long time if you store them properly. But I roasted these. And so I feel like since I've roasted them, they should be consumed sooner than later. And so since it's been less than a week, I'm going to use these almonds. So we're going to take a cup of almonds and cut it up, chop it up. And first we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. Then we're going to add the extract, the almonds, and 2 cups of flour. Very simple. There's not even eggs in this recipe. It's pretty basic. Very happy with this. It looked good. And then the standard temperature, 350 degrees. Roll them into walnut-sized balls and cook them for about 15 minutes. Seems pretty standard, so let's get the butter and sugar creamed together. That worked out. The almonds is pretty much a cup, and so now I'm just gonna dice them into smaller pieces. I'm taste testing the almonds because it has been a week since I toasted them. Well, 6 days. Today's Saturday. I toasted them last Sunday. They still taste very good. Believe it or not, nuts can go bad. The oils in them can make them go rancid. It tastes good. Always taste test everything. The dough is coming together very well. I'll do a quick taste test on the dough. I can taste the almond extract. I like the crunch of the almonds. It's pretty good. The recipe makes 2 dozen. I do 6 per sheet. There's no baking soda or baking powder in it, so I don't think they're gonna like raise or flatten too much. So I could probably put 8 to a sheet, but if you watched me long enough, you know I prefer just doing 6 to a sheet, 2 dozen. It'll make 2 batches. As the first batch of cookies is in the oven baking, I went ahead and scooped out the rest of the dough, and it actually made 16 more instead of 12. I am using my 1-inch scooper, but I still made 4 extra balls. I don't know. It's never like, if it says 2 dozen, I either make less or more. I don't think I've ever made the exact amount the recipe says. The first batch is done, and the second batch is almost done. So these are cooled enough. I'm gonna do a taste test. I don't know why mine always get dark on the bottom. Okay. That heat really brought out the taste of the almond extract. And it's a little dry, which is common in butter cookies. That's just the way they are. The almonds, I like the texture. Really good. I'd make these again. Are these snowballs? Did I just make snowballs without realizing it? I got snowballs just like this with powdered sugar. Oh my God, I gotta Google it real quick. Because I remember making snowballs at Christmas. But I don't remember using almonds. Is snowballs walnuts? Now this is bugging me. Because I'm thinking, put a little powdered sugar on this. And there was a lot of almond cookie recipes where people put a glaze on it, which is just powdered sugar and water mixed together. Sometimes they mix powdered sugar and milk or powdered sugar and water to get a glaze, but I chose this recipe. It's really good, don't get me wrong, but it's a dry cookie. It's supposed to be a dry cookie. This would be like good with like coffee, tea. You know, tea parties are all the rage again. This would be a good tea party cookie. Oh, I'll let it cool down. And there really wasn't that many ingredients to make 28 cookies. It's a good deal. I'm gonna take 2 to Robert in his office, the cooled ones. Maybe 3. And then ask him, did I just make snowballs without realizing it? Okay, taste test. As I was making these, I was like, wait a minute, did I just make
Oh my God.
snowballs without the powder? But it's not, was it almonds? Isn't there a different nut in it?
No, there's yeah. There's not almonds in them, but
Like walnuts?
walnuts or something. But if we put sugar on them,
I know, I was like, would it be better with sugar? I think they're really good by themselves.
they are good.
Okay, so yes,
I like 'em.
they were called almond cookies, but I'm like, this is so familiar. Did I just not make these at Christmas? I swear, this is why I have to record everything, because my memory is so bad.
Yes.
You like them?
Good.
What do you think, honey? No?
Honey's got her feelings hurt.
I know, she's in jail timeout. She's been a bad girl, so she's stuck in Dad's office.